Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are continuing to battle over alleged defamation, and things keep getting weirder, as Amber Heard is being accused of using a strange tactic to intimidate Johnny Depp in court. The defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has revealed that the couple's relationship may have been far more toxic than anyone thought. Depp has contended that Amber's claims of abuse are, quote, plainly false. Heard maintains that their relationship included cycles of physical and emotional abuse, leaving her to live in constant fear. In court documents, Heard claimed, "I was worried that Johnny was in a blacked-out state and unaware of the damage he was doing, and that he could actually kill me." The two had a brief but seemingly quarrelsome time together. Their 2016 divorce included claims of abuse, which Depp says ultimately damaged his acting career. He sued his ex-wife after she authored a Washington Post opinion piece about being a survivor of sexual violence, although Depp was not named in the piece. A contentious legal battle between the couple ensued shortly after that article was published. The trial, which is currently underway in a Fairfax, Virginia courthouse, has resulted in both parties lobbying complaints against the other. As if the testimony in Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's legal battle wasn't salacious enough, people online are accusing Heard of copying Depp's courthouse attire in order to play mind games with him. Examples of the outfits included the pair both wearing gray suits, as well as the exes both wearing a dark tie with a conspicuous pin in the shape of a bee. Some have claimed that Heard is also mirroring Depp's physical movements. One Twitter user mocked up a photo with a side-by-side image of Depp and Heard in similar postures, holding clenched fists up to their faces with a finger touching their lips. And while online sleuths continue to piece together theories, things inside the courtroom are just as contentious. Audio played in court revealed a disturbing message from Heard.
"That's the difference between me and you. You're a baby.
Because you start.
You are such a baby. Grow the up, Johnny."
This was following a fight she allegedly started. Meanwhile, Heard's legal team presented text messages from Depp that show the actor allegedly joking about having sex with his ex-wife's corpse. Camille Vasquez, one of Depp's lawyers, told the court that Heard planned on setting herself up to be the victim once he asked for a divorce. His legal team believes that she's doing everything in her power to salvage her reputation. Vasquez is quoted as saying, "She is obsessed with her public image. She has been living and breathing this role for years now, and she is preparing to give the performance of her life." In his opening statement, Benjamin Chu, another one of Depp's attorneys, said that his team will bring up concrete evidence that proves Heard orchestrated her domestic abuse allegations in order to taint Depp's public perception. He said, "The evidence will show that Ms. Heard showed up with a mark on her face that mysteriously appeared 6 days after she last saw Mr. Depp, and 6 days before she publicly filed a request for a domestic violence restraining order alleging abuse. The evidence will show that her publicist and the paparazzi were there at the courthouse to document the event to make sure that Johnny Depp's name was forever associated with the image of an innocent, battered woman." In addition to Amber Heard's supposed mind games, she is allegedly not being entirely truthful regarding the cosmetics she allegedly used to cover bruises from Johnny Depp's alleged domestic abuse. After presenting the Milani brand's all-in-one correcting kit, Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, told the court, "This was what she used. She became very adept at it. You're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises as they developed in the different coloring and how she would used to touch those up to be able to cover those." Milani's all-in-one correcting kit was shown in court, but according to the brand itself, that specific product wasn't released until after Heard and Depp had already divorced.
This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship.
The brand's official TikTok account revealed, "You asked us. Let the record show that our correcting kit launched in 2017. We are here to provide the facts of the case." The trial is far from over, and it will be interesting to see how it will play out in the coming weeks. If you or someone you know is dealing with domestic abuse, you can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233. You can also find more information, resources, and support at their website.